Hey everyone, welcome back to Camper Insider, and today we're climbing aboard the Maxus Explorer Star H, a compact Chinese-built camper that pairs a seriously sleek interior with an intelligent all-terrain four-wheel drive system built for going way off the beaten path. So let's cruise through the highlights first and then dive into the full tour. Alright, let's kick things off right here in the dining nook, where this sleek black table with its built-in cup holders folds down neatly between the bench seats that are still wearing their factory plastic. Just take a look at that circular doorway with a soft curtain across it, a real signature touch on the Explorer Star H. Step on through and you're standing in the bedroom with the bed made up under overhead cabinets, wall-mounted reading lights, and a curtained window. Tucked alongside sits a single bunk with a padded headboard and a green floor mat rounding things out. Slide over to the next door, and we're peeking into a tight little wet room, and Maxus has crammed a surprising amount in here. There's a toilet running its own control panel, a compact sink topped with a chrome faucet, and a small window with blinds pulling daylight inside. Behind that white curtain on the right, a stacked washer-dryer turns this corner into a combined bathroom and laundry without stealing any extra floor space. Right next to that, swing into the galley and have a look at how much they've squeezed into this compact space. Over on this side sits a built-in fridge with adjustable shelves, those bright blue storage drawers inside, and even a dedicated bottle holder on the door. Just above it, you'll find a proper built-in oven with a glass door and a cool blue interior light, so you can check on dinner without cracking it open. Sitting alongside is a sleek black Mobor V microwave with a rotary dial and preset buttons for different food types, a really nice touch for quick meals on the road. Step over to the prep zone and there's a curved stainless faucet arching over a deep sink, a black countertop, white backsplash, and a window pulling in real daylight while you cook. Plus, you've got wall-mounted outlets and a light switch right where your hand reaches. Now pull back into this cozy sleep zone and you'll spot a wall-mounted outlet with a USB port sitting right beside the pillow, perfect for topping up your phone late at night. The soft green tones tie the whole space together. Just a couple of steps away, the lounge opens up with a wrapped sofa, a reading lamp, and big curtained windows letting daylight pour right in. Let's head outside now and walk around to the back, where you'll spot that bold red accent strip slicing right across the tailgate, with the Maxus lettering stamped square in the middle and a badge calling out the 1-ton towing rating. Up top sits a clean spare tire mount. The taillights drop neatly into the bodywork, and the Explorer Star H designation rides just above the license plate frame. Round the rear corner, and there's a flush-mounted storage hatch with a key lock, sitting tidy beside the taillight cluster so nothing breaks the clean lines. Swing along the side, and that teal paintwork really jumps out at you, broken up by a deep blue stripe that doubles as the badge for the on-demand 4WD hardware running underneath. Pop the side door open, and a single step drops you onto warm wooden flooring with a built-in trash bin tucked right inside the threshold, a smart little detail you'll appreciate every single time you climb in. Up front, the driver's door wears a badge for the SAIC Pi 2.0T diesel, and you can spot the soft connection decal, where the cabin meets the camper module, letting the body flex on rough trails. Thanks so much for touring with us today. If you'd like more RV walkthroughs, consider subscribing to Camper Insider. And please share your thoughts below on what you'd love to see next. Happy camping, everyone.